mga ka-viewers, nandito na naman si Inday, ang inyong lingkod na maghatid sa inyo ng random videos, lalong-lalo na mga trending viral videos na topiko. Kaya naman, kung nakalimutan mong mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, itsKEVO, huwag mong kalimutang mag-subscribe na ngayon at i-press ang notification bell para ma-update ka sa next kong video at hindi ka maiiwanan. Hanggang ngayon mga ka-viewers, still on the go, number 1 trending pa rin ang ating the unpredictable man na si MARCELITO Pomoy pagkatapos ng performance nito sa Gandang Gabi Vice na kung saan ay hinamon siya ni Vice Ganda ng remote control challenge na kung saan ay magpapalit boses pang lalaki to babae si MARCELITO Pomoy pag kunwaring pipindot si Vice Ganda, and it was unpredictable performance of MARCELITO mga ka-viewers. Kaya naman niyanig uli ni MARCELITO Pomoy ang social media pagkatapos maipakita nito ang talento niya na hindi pa narinig ng karamihan. Kaya naman ang mga reactions hindi lang mga Pinoy maging taga-ibang bansa na hindi nila akalain na sa kabila ng talentong ipinakita ni Pomoy, may mas maibubuga pa pala ito. Ang performance na yun ni MARCELITO Pomoy ay malaking sampal sa taong masyado siyang nilimitahan at ipinagkanulo. Kaya naman talagang nakaka-proud makita at nakaka-amuse makita ang mga reactions nila sa performance ni Pomoy. Kaya kung ikaw ay fans ni MARCELITO Pomoy at nagalit ka, nadismaya ka, umiiyak ka sa resulta sa lakbay niya sa AGT The Grand Finals, then watch this ka-viewers, at I'm sure na you can tell yourself that even Pomoy will not win in AGT, he really a winner without a doubt. Kaya sabay-sabay nating panoorin ang mga reactions ng mga reactors, hindi lang sa Pinoy maging sa ibang bansa. Let's go guys!
My love, there's only you in my life.
Oh,
The only
so good.
things that's right.
Ang galing, ang daming S. Good!
My first love. Your every breath that I take. Your
Oh my God.
every step I make.
Masad.
Okay, this is
That's a special
This
challenge.
thing, man.
It's remote MARCELITO Pomoy
challenge.
not anyone else.
I cannot do it. You cannot do it.
That's funny, honestly.
Oh my love.
Ah, in the middle of the thing.
In the middle of the.
No one else will do. In your
It's amazing.
They tell me how much you care. Oh, yeah.
Good!
You will always be
Good! 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 Good!
love. You will
Good.
always be
Good! Good! Good!
Oh my God, that was so beautiful. It's like out of this world. It's like out of this world. But those guys don't mind.
This is
They
fun.
tell me how much you
It's like blink.
Good!
You will
Good.
always
Good!
be
Good! Good!
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Good!
He nailed it. He did it. It is amazing.
Ang galing, ang daming S. Good!
Toot. Change the voice every time.
Your every breath that I take, your every step I make,
Masad. Good!
Toot.
and love.
Good!
Toot.
I want to share
Good!
all my love.
Every time Toot changes voice.
Ito yung napili ng management ng AGT, especially approve ni Simon Cowell. Maaari siguro mas maraming lalong-lalong hahanga kay Marcelito Pomoy.
Tut. Tut. Tut.
Baka talaga Marcy. Kaya shoutout sa mga Marcelinians dyan. Congratulations sa Marcelito Pomoy. Kahit ano pa man ang mangyari, champion ka na dito sa
Ang galing! Palakpakan natin, Marcelito Pomoy!
Wow, this guy is next level.
Wow!
Your every breath that I take, your every step I make,
Wow!
and
Tut.
else will do.
Tut.
oh my love with you, no one
Tut.
else will do.
This was Marcelito's final performance. I wonder what would be the judge's reaction.
Tut.
Endless love.
My love, there's only you in my life, the only things that's right.
Ang galing, ang daming S. Tut.
My first love,
Oh my G.
Son, he can do it any day of the week, son. I love this. Let's rewind it a little bit. I'm sorry, y'all, I'm getting carried away. One of my favorite songs.
Tut.
You will
Tut. Tut.
Yes.
Tut. 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 Tut.
Oh my god.
your every breath that I take, your every step I make.
Is he human? Oh my god.
Your every love. No one else.
Tut.
Oh my love.
Oh, she's like telling him when to switch.
This guy is so blessed. He's a genius.
Ang galing, ang daming S.
My first love.
What?
Your every breath that I take, your every step I make.
Oh my gosh! Galing!
There's only you in my life,
Oh, galing!
the only
Kuhang-kuha.
things that's right.
Ang galing, ang daming S.
May balance ba yung Vice? Oh my god!
Your every breath that I take,
Oh my god, ang galing!
your every step I make.
Ang smooth ang transition ng voice niya.
Your eyes, they tell me how much you care.
So guys, did you get us? Like, she's the controller.
The only things that's right.
Ang galing, ang daming S. Tut.
Oh my god!
Every breath that I take, your every step I make.
Hello my dear viewers, I hope you like this video, and if you want to watch the full video reactions of those reactors, I will put their video links in the description below. Just click it and you can watch their full video reactions towards Marcelito Pomoy Sing Endless Love Remote Control Challenge. And if you did not yet watch the part 1 of these reactions, Remote Control Challenge of Marcelito Pomoy, I will also put the links in the description below. And thank you for watching, and God bless.